Hey guys, Katie here. So today I have another try on haul for you guys. This time it is from Princess Polly and I'm really excited to share this with you guys just because it's my very first try on haul from Princess Polly and I'm literally obsessed. You guys know I love fashion. And yeah, I've been seeing this brand literally all over YouTube for the longest time, and I literally have been shopping there for 2 months now, and I really enjoy their items. They also come really quickly. This particular shipment actually took forever to get here, but that is okay. Without further ado, let's get into the try on haul. This is almost like an unboxing / try on haul, by the way. This first item is the Joni tie-dye mini dress in green, and I got this in an Australian 8, which is a US 4, and basically that's my size in all of these items. So I am going to try this on. You guys, this dress is so cute. So guys, in the try on clip, I did pair this dress with my Doc Martens. So yeah, it's a perfect pair. I literally love this outfit so much. Like, you guys do not understand. This dress is like really sexy, but it covers everything. And it's short, but literally like, it's so versatile because you can pull it down and make it more of like a midi dress, which is literally so fierce. I just really love this for fall because this like olive green tone color is stunning. I also paired it with like white knee socks because I felt like it was just a really cute vibe and just like a nice contrast between the colors. Oh my gosh, I really love this dress. I love how the seams of this are almost like a lettuce cut, but not so ruffly. And down the middle it has like the same seam. It's just like a little theme throughout the dress. Stunning. Also, this dress is like really comfortable. It's like kind of thin, but it is soft. It's just really nice. It's just like, it's so stretchy and like so comfortable. And I honestly thought this would be like see-through, but it's literally not see-through at all. And I'm wearing like a dark brown polka dot bra right now, so amazing. Verdict on this dress is literally like a 10 out of 10. So guys, the next item is the Michael top, and this is in the shade Lime. Why did I say shade? I feel like this is a makeup tutorial. This is in the color Lime. When I bought this skirt from Princess Polly, the model Lily was wearing this cardigan with this skirt, and these two paired together was like literally goals. I just didn't get this cardigan at the time, but I finally got it. I was gonna pair it with this dress just to see what it would look like, but don't worry, I am going to pair this with the skirt next. So this is how I paired the cardigan. I honestly think it looks really cute like this. Like if you don't want to be too sexy with like this whole bodycon thing going on, this kind of like tones it down for this dress. You know what I'm saying? And I don't even know, I'm getting like rebellious schoolgirl vibes right now. I just still have my Doc Martens on. Like, how cute does this look, you guys? Adorable. Okay, so the last time I wore this skirt, it was like super, super big on me, but now it like fits perfectly. So guys, back to what I was saying before. A model, Lily, had this paired with this skirt and oh my gosh, it's so cute. I was actually just helping Bradley, so I rolled up my sleeves. So let me put those down. So it's just super, super cute. So guys, last but not least, I got the fleece jumper in a size small/medium. It's just like this fuzzy blue cardigan, and I thought the color was really, really cute, so I had to pick it up. And I've been wanting like a fuzzy type of like sweater, so let's try it on. I actually don't like it open, so I'm just gonna close it. I'm just gonna button this right on up. This also looks really cute with the leopard print skirt. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I feel like this skirt is so like versatile. I love this jumper, it's stunning. It's literally so soft. Like I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this all fall and winter. Once it gets colder around here anyway. It's literally been like 90 degrees in October. This is so fun. Oh my gosh.